like what are the various ways, like the relation of our nursing with the health and with the treatment of the patients, those who are admitted, plus the patients who are sick or like are unwell in the community setup, means at home setup. So those things we are going to deal. But for your courses, for your relation with courses related to other department, we have make it concise. So whatever may be feasible and at par and is of importance to you, that part only we are going to take classes. So you can see here importance of health and hygiene. So health, you know, it's a very important terminology for all of us. Good health is a key to happiness, because today, see, if now we are in this era of like from last 2 years, we are suffering from this pandemic, you know, COVID pandemic. So whoever has come across with this COVID-19 viral infection, so their physical health, their mental health, even their socio-cultural life, everything has been distorted. Because today, if we are physically not healthy, definitely there will be some impact in our mental health also. Then related with the hygiene, like if you think before this pandemic, before this pandemic, we were very much, we used to do hand washing, we used to maintain uh, we used to maintain our hygiene, but how much and how far? But this pandemic has made us understand like how much it is important to make ourselves in relation with everyday health, relation with everyday personal hygiene. We know we were using the mask previously. If you can see, only few people we used to see, those who are allergic to dust, those who are suffering from some immunocompromised disease like cancer or maybe AIDS, they only used to wear the mask. Yes or no? But hardly people we used to see them wearing masks. But now it is become a part of our life. Like how, like without mobile now it's very difficult for us to survive, even from a small kid to our older people. Same way without masks now it is very difficult. Like it's a kind of like how you carry your own mobile, your purse, same thing. Small hand sanitizer, uh, face mask is a mandatory belongings in our purse. Yes or no? So that is what is important. Next is home. Home is where we become so conducive with our family members. We become so close with our family, with our friends, with our relatives. So family, home is the center of family life. So all these things is a very important part of your health as well as our hygiene. Next, you can see here the definition of health given by World Health Organization. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely an in absence of disease or infirmity. So, from this line, you can understand it is not only the physical health. Today, I am having fever, right? It is a physiological problem. My body temperature will rise. I'll be having sweating. I'll be having headache. But continuously thinking of that, definitely I will have some anxiety in my mind. I will have some feeling of uneasiness in my body. I'll be not able to do my activities. I want to take rest. I want to be in bed. Like everything need to be supplied to me in bed, my feeding, my drinking, everything. So that is what is not a good health. So if you consider somebody to be a healthy person, his physical health, his mental health, his social health, it should be correct. It should be absolutely fine. So that's what it is given by WHO very rightly, that is a state of complete physical and social well-being, and not merely an disease, absence of disease or infirmity. Infirmity in the sense patients who are disabled, patients who are not able to like adjust to the society, patients who are not able to be maintaining a good interactions. So this is all termed as a complete definition for health. Next is health is a dynamic condition resulting from body's constant adjustment and constant adjustment and adaptation in response to stresses and changes in the environment for maintaining an inner equilibrium called as homeostasis. Yes, you might have, if you are, because definitely you are a science student, as you have taken microbiology, biotechnology. So you know what is homeostasis. It is our balance between the internal environment and our external environment. Internal environment is our own body process, like the cells, the tissues, the functioning in our body, as well as the external environment, the environment where we were breathing in, we were living in. That is our external environment. Like you're now you are coming to the college, so it's a college environment. You are at home, it's a home environment. So how our body is maintaining a balance between internal environment and external environment, that is considered to be as an homeostasis. So we all know that health is a very dynamic changing process, which always require an adjustment and adaptation to the stress. Now stress can result from any disease, stress can result from any tension, stress can result from any kind of problem that is going on in our mind, not only on the mind, in our physiological body changes also. Now, like all of us, we are ladies, we are women. So we know women, every month we are menstruating. So when we are menstruating, there are lots of hormonal changes in our body, and that give rise to some kind of discomfort, some kind of pain. Some people are suffering from dysmenorrhea. So all these things also related to our health. If today I am not physically healthy, I'm not physically fit, then definitely my mental status, my mental health also will have some kind of influence in my day-to-day activities.
Ma'am.
Yes. Are you understanding, my dear?
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, if I'm suffering from dysmenorrhea, what should I, ma'am, what step should I take during this?
If dysmenorrhea, I'll tell you one thing. Very rightly you have asked. In our College of Nursing, we are having maximum of girl student, right? Because nursing mostly nowadays the males are also coming for this profession. But one thing you will have to understand, this dysmenorrhea is a normal physiological process of your body. All right. It is not nothing, it is nothing pathological. Tar mane etu kono disease নহয়. It is a kind of symptom. Ketiaba, why it is happening? Because you are a science student, tumi jana amar gynecological process, amar gynecological tumar ki koy structure, right? Amar jitu gynae aru amar uterus, তাৰপিছত আমাৰ ovary, so সেইবিলাক process তুমি জানা. So dysmenorrhea problem to এনেকুৱা যেতিয়া আমাৰ usually it happens in your first or second day, right? If I'm not mistaken.
Yes,
yes. So কি হয় আমাৰ যিটো opening, য'ত আমাৰ মানে তোমাৰ periods or like bleeding to য'ৰ পৰা হয়, right? So এই opening to কেতিয়াবা কি হয়, it usually it is narrowed sometime. And because of the spasm, এই যিটো আমাৰ ব্লাড সাপ্লাইৰ যিটো ৰুট মানে যিটো পাথৱে আছে, সেইটো কেতিয়াবা বহুত এই ইউটেৰাছ পাথৱেটো কেতিয়াবা কি হয়, মাসলটো এনেকৈ স্পাজম কৰি থাকে, আৰু বিকজ অফ দিস স্পাজম, মাসলৰ কন্ট্ৰাকশনৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ বিষটো হয়। আৰু it is a very absolute normal process. কেতিয়াবা after your childbirth also, sometimes even me, I delivered a normal baby, normal delivery. Now my son is 15 plus, right? He's in standard class 10 standard. But till now, today also, I sometimes feel very discomfort, suffering from dysmenorrhea. So what we used to do, continuous rest is not a solution. We need to be active. তুমি যিমান active থাকিবা, তোমাৰ blood clot, মানে blood clot বিলাক ভালকে নোলাই কাৰণে dysmenorrhea টো হয়, spasm বিলাক হয়, muscle spasm. So তুমি যদি active থাকা, পানী খাই থাকা ভালকে, তুমি দেখিবা যে তোমাৰ bleeding টো ভাল flow হৈ আছে, and slowly তোমাৰ bleeding টো যেতিয়া ভাল flow হৈ যাব, slowly your dysmenorrhea also will subside. তাৰ কাৰণে কেতিয়াবা কি হয়? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, PCOD related হয় নেকি dysmenorrhea?
PCOD related হয়. PCOD related যদি তুমি PCOD তোমাৰ যদি আছে, তেতিয়া it is now becoming pathological. I am talking about physiological. যাৰ মানে ধৰক physiology, only because of the spasm. The PCOD বস্তুটো বেলেগ, it's a ovarian disease. It's a polycystic ovarian disease. So tar karone you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
go with a different line of treatment. You have to go to a gynae doctor and you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
consult as part that. Kintu for normal physiological dysmenorrhea without an underlying PCOD or without an underlying cyst or anything in the ovary, তুমি জাস্ট হট ওয়াটার
Yes,
কম্প্রেস ল'ব পাৰা, খুব বেছি হলে এটা এনালজেটিক লাইক আমি সেইটো মাস্কুলাৰ মাসল স্পাজমৰ এন্টি স্পাজমোডিক ড্ৰাগ বুলি কওঁ হা, সেইটো ল'লে
মেম এইটো ডাইচমেন ল'লেও কেতিয়াবা কমফৰ্ট হৈ যায়, কমফৰ্টেবল হ'ব মানে ডাইচমেন এটা মানে
ডাইচমেন বা
গাইনে
ড্ৰটিনো খাব পাৰা বা মেফটেল স্পাছো
Yes,
খাব
ma'am.
পাৰা।
1 monthত এটা ইনটেক কৰিলে একো নহয় চাগে ন?
একো নহয়, একো নহয়,
মানে
nothing, it's not
like
harmful
painkiller.
to you, but don't take any this other diclofenac and all those things, don't take, because ketiaba tumar
Okay, ma'am.
because this is an uterine drugs, no? So Drotin or Meftal
Yes,
spas,
ma'am.
these are all spasmodic drugs, so that is much better actually, I feel.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes.
Anyway, we are moving out of topic. All these things we can you can discuss with me later on. So
Yes,
let
ma'am.
us move on to this topic. So why health is important? When we are talking about health, it is not just about your healthy body. Okay,